Alright, here we got a little snowstorm today, kind of small, but it's about 9 degrees, maybe -5 wind chill. We'll grab our cold steel sure balance here and find our area with no lines. Let's see if we can make this stick while I'm actually holding the camera. Should be interesting. That's not too bad. Lucky, I'd say. Okay, frozen target, of course. Now we'll try one spin here and see how I do. There's no lines here at all. Sorry about the footage, but it's kind of cold. Okay, let's see how we do. Not one of my best, but all right. I'll try one more half spin at my sort of paste off thing. That's terrible. I can't live with that. Okay. I'll try once more. My hand's kind of freezing up on this camera. Oh, all right. Okay. There we go. Just so you can see the crazy winter man. One more time. Oh, okay. Wait, 2 for 2 or 2 for 4? There we go. And we're gonna let her go at that. Okay, see you later. Bye.